Good morning, students. This is your lecture number 14 of material science, in which we study about our iron carbon diagram. So this is the diagram of iron when we increase concentration of carbon up to a certain limit. So mixture solutions there. तो हम आयरन कार्बन डायग्राम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि कहाँ पे सॉलिड बनता है, कहाँ पे लिक्विड बनता है, किस टेम्परेचर पे मेल्टिंग पॉइंट किस तरह से इंक्रीज़ होता है, डिक्रीज़ होता है, कितने तरह के इसमें सॉलिड सॉल्यूशंस बनते हैं अलग अलग तरह के ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टेम्परेचर different types of irons are made. Okay, almost all material have more than one phase in them, thus engineering material attain their special properties. Microscopic basis unit of a material is called the component. It refers to an independent chemical species. The components of a system may be elements, ions, or compound. A phase can be defined as a homogeneous portion of a system that has uniform physical and chemical characteristics, that it is physically distinct from other phases, chemically homogeneous and mechanically separable portion of a system. A component can exist in many phases. Example, water exists as ice, liquid, water and water vapor. कार्बन एग्जिस्ट एज ग्रेफाइट एंड डायमंड. ठीक है, मिक्सचर बराबर मिक्सचर सॉल्यूशन और फेजेस, इसके बारे में हमें पढ़ना है. व्हेन टू फेजेस आर present in a system, it is not necessary that there be a difference in both physical and chemical properties. A disparity in one or more than the set of the properties is sufficient. A solution is phase with more than one component. Mixture is not a change in structure pattern of the solvent, and the composition of any solution can be varied. In mixture there are different phases, each with its own atomic arrangement. It is possible to have a mixture of two different solutions. Gives phase rule in a system under a set of conditions. Number of phases exist can be related to the number of components C and the degree of freedom F by Gibbs phase rule. Degree of freedom refers to the number of independent variables, that is pressure and temperature, that can be varied individually to affect the change in the system. Thermodynamically derived Gibbs phase rule. In practical conditions, the metallurgic and material system pressure can be treated as the constant 1 atmospheric pressure. Thus, condensed Gibbs phase rule in written as, तो गिब्स फेज रूल को हम लिख सकते हैं इस तरह: ए डायग्राम दैट despite existence of a different phase of a system under equilibrium is termed as the phase diagram. It is actually a collection of solubility and limit of. ठीक है, तो हम फेज डायग्राम के बारे में हमने बात कर ली. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. फेज डायग्राम आर क्लासिफाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर ऑफ कंपोनेंट प्रेजेंट इन द system. तो फेज डायग्राम आर यूजफुल information, important information, useful material development and selection obtained from a phase diagram. It shows phases present in different composition and temperatures under slow cooling. It indicates equilibrium solid solution of one element. It suggests temperature at which an alloy starts to solidify. The range of solidification. It signals the temperature at which the different phases start to melt. Amount of each phase in a two-phase mixture can be obtained. Unary phase diagram. If a system consists of just one component, example water, equilibrium in phase exists in despite by unary phase diagram. The component may exist in different form, thus variable here temperature and pressure. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट हमने कॉपर निकल की हम बात कर चुके हैं. होम रू 3 रूल की भी हम बात कर चुके हैं इसमें. ओके, तो हम इसको यहीं से द रिलेटिव अमाउंट ऑफ फेज कंपोनेंट टेकन बाय द लेंथ ऑफ द टाई लाइन फ्रॉम ओवरऑल कंपोजिशन टू द फेज बाउंड्री फॉर द अदर फेज एंड डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल total tie line length in previous figure. Related amount of liquid and solid phases are given respectively by the these are the lengths given. Eutectic binary system. अब eutectic binary system क्या होता है? Many of the binary system with limited solubility are eutectic type. Eutectic allow to eutectic composition solidify at limit the end of the solidification at eutectic temperature. Example CuAgPbSn eutectic system. The cooling curve microstructure eutectic system. Cooling curve microstructure eutectic system cooling curve. Okay, so now how about the eutectic point in a binary phase diagram? These points are specific in sense that they occur only at that particular condition of concentration. Specific in the sense of they occur only in the particular condition of concentration, temperature, pressure, etc. Try changing any of the variable, it does not exist, that is phase are not equilibrium and more, hence they are known as the invariant point. And respect to invariant reactions, in binary system we will come across many numbers of invariant reactions, invariant intermediate phases. Invariant reaction result in the different product phases, terminal phases and intermediate phases. Intermediate phases are either of varying composition or fixed composition. Occurrence of intermediate phase cannot be readily predicted from the nature of the pure components. Intermetallic compounds differ from other chemical components in that the bonding is primarily metallic rather than ionic or covalent. Example Fe3C in metallic, whereas MgO is covalent. When using the lever rule, intermetallic phase transformation are two kinds: congruent and incongruent. Congruent transformation involves the compositional change. It usually occurs at a temperature. Example transformations: at least one phase will undergo composition change. All elementary reaction: melting of isomorphous alloy. Intermediate phase are sometimes classified on the basis of whatever they melt, congruently or incongruently. MgNi2 for example melts congruently, whereas Mg2Ni melts incongruently since it undergo peritectic decomposition. Okay, so the next is the solvent and sodium temperature are kept there till a uniform solid solution structure is produced. Quenching, where the sample is readily cooled to a lower temperature from resultant products. Super saturated solid solution. Aging is the last but critical temperature during the heat treatment step. Finally, disparate precipitated particles will form. Aging the alloy at room temperature is called natural aging, whereas at elevated temperature is called artificial aging. Most alloys require artificial aging, and aging temperature is usually between 15 to 25% of temperature difference between room temperature and solution heat treated temperature. Precipitation strengthening reaction. Okay, so this is about the basic. Now we more discuss about iron carbon diagram. Is here is the iron carbon diagram. You can see, देखो यहाँ पे अलग अलग तरह के आयरन्स बन रहे हैं. जैसे पहला दे रखा है अल्फा फेराइट प्लस पियरलाइट यानी कि Fe3C. ओके, उसके बाद पियरलाइट, उसके बाद पियरलाइट प्लस लेडिब्रेट. ओके, और ऊपर बने हुए हैं हमारे पास ये देखो ऑस्टेनाइट, लिक्विड ऑस्टेनाइट. ओके, so this is about the iron carbon diagram. Basically we will study about more eutectic points, pair lights, ये इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में हम डिटेल में नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.